Hey, welcome back to the Swim Doctor's office. Today I'm going to be going over at what age you should start introducing your child into swimming. Now this is going to sound really simple. You can start at whatever age you want. I've seen people introduce their child into swimming at the ripe age of 6 months old. So you can really do it at any time. Obviously, they're not going to be professional swimmers at that time, so don't expect that. Motor skills and learning and processing, all that kind of stuff, that doesn't really come into play until age, I would say about age 3 is when they start getting more motor skills. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments, give me feedback, let me know what other things you want to see on the channel. It helps me out a lot, it helps the channel out a lot, and that way I can get you guys what you want to see. Also, thank you for bringing me to 200 subscribers. Huge milestone, and I thank you all for the support you've given me so far. So at age 3, that's usually the age where I start teaching students the basic motor skills of the floating, the kicking, and the arms. I don't expect them to swim on their own or even come close to swimming on their own, but as always, some kids learn a lot faster, some kids process things a lot faster. Everyone's different, and I've taught thousands and thousands of kids. And some of them learn really, really quickly, some of them it takes them a very long time. So just be patient. Now, at around the age 5, that's when I start noticing kids are able to swim all by themselves. Me, for instance, I started learning how to swim, I swear, from right when I was born. My mom had me in the water teaching me how to swim. And I was actually swimming at around the age 3, pretty much by myself. So, a little backstory of me. I think I was about 4 years old and I saved my brother from drowning, but I was 4, so I didn't realize that he would try to drag me under too, so then I started drowning. My mom had to save both of us, but I tried. But yeah, around 5 years of age, that's when most kids are gonna start learning those motor skills and putting that into play and able to swim mostly by themselves. And like I said before, take your time, be patient. You're really gonna need those patient pants. And come back to the Swim Doctor's office for more cures.